Thank you. Again, that's a very important question. And I go back to the communication. Now, I personally don't believe that money is a motivator. I know that a lot of people jump on me when I say that. Money is not a long-term motivator. Money is a short-term motivator. I mean, when I was getting 10,000 dirhams a month, I was happy. When this moved to 12, I was happy. But after 2 months, 12 became the normal for me. When my salary became 40, 50, 60, 70, after 2 months, it became normal. So it's not always the salary. Now, what can we give employees? It's first the dream of moving forward, moving upward in the company. And believe me, this is what most of the people want. The learning they get, and this is most of the younger generation they want. And the opportunity to move and learn new things. How many times we see a person who starts in HR and moves up in all the HR, right? Well, people like to learn new things. It gives them a motivation. It gives them something more. Again, it's not easy, especially if you're coming from a culture of non-empowerment or a culture of non-learning. It becomes much more difficult. I do understand. But again, training, training doesn't have that you bring an external training provider or you send them to INSEAD or London Business School or anything. Training is just by spending more time with them, by teaching them new skills, by expanding their horizon, by giving them more responsibilities. Responsibilities is a very good motivator. I know that some people think, no, employees don't want responsibilities. Well, 99.99%, when you give a responsibility to a person, they'll grab it and they'll do a better job. So again, responsibility is a motivator.